At eBay it's simple, we succeed when sellers do. Whether you're a small seller, a growing business, a charity, a high street retailer or established brand, we offer you a shop window to over 182 million buyers worldwide. We share a common goal to bring more buyers to the eBay marketplace and to keep them coming back. So with all that in mind, let's talk about how we can work with you to maximise the upcoming peak trading period in the UK. Here are some of the key announcements we're making today. Earlier this year I told you we were working behind the scenes on seller protection. So I'm pleased to say that we're introducing enhanced protections for top rated sellers. As long as you meet certain criteria, we'll give you the flexibility to give partial refunds when a buyer returns an item to you after they've used or damaged it. We'll also protect you from false item not as described claims and remove those open cases from your service metrics. There are hundreds of eBay policies. To make it easier for you to focus on selling, we're consolidating and simplifying all of them. If you breach a policy, we'll let you know exactly what action you need to take and we'll communicate that to you simply. In most cases, we will now protect your sales history if you do breach a policy. To help you get more views on your listings, we've crunched the numbers on billions of items and billions of searches to see exactly what potential buyers are looking for. You can now see which item specifics are required and which ones are recommended. You'll need to complete all the required item specifics to create or revise your listing. There are some newly required item specifics in some categories, so please check the details. Soon you'll see some changes in Seller Hub which will make it easier to find the information you need to manage your business successfully. For instance, the Terapeak research tool will be moving into Seller Hub. Plus, on Promote Your Listings, we've made it easier for you to manage your advertising activities in one place. We're also making changes to how your promoted listings appear in the search results. Make sure you read the announcement in full to find out all about it. As always, thank you for choosing to be part of our business seller community. I'm wishing you a very successful and happy Christmas trading period from everyone here at eBay.